Okay, this is December 16th, Tuesday, 2025. About 60 degrees. A little after 2. Tugaloo River, Stevens County Recreation Area. We're going to walk out on the bridge. We're recording this at 8K, 30 frames a second. And we have got stitching in progress on the camera itself, which I'm not sure what this means, so we'll have to sort of see when we get it in the computer. I'm pretty sure there's not a date when this bridge was built. This style bridge, they may have had a plaque down there at one time. So we may go over there on the South Carolina side. Be better video over there, wouldn't it? We could cut it back to 5K as well. Yeah, this is 8K. We drop the camera, folks, it'll be gone. I'm not going in after it.